So I just stumbled upon this massive list of open source games. I mean, it's wild how many categories they cover.
Right, and it's not just the usual suspects. There are even business and tycoon games. Who knew?
Totally, like did you see OpenRCT 2? It's an open source version of Roller Coaster Tycoon 2. I love that nostalgia.
It's such a clever way to keep the spirit of those classic games alive. But how do they handle the licensing?
Good question. I think they have to work under specific licenses that let them share and modify the original games.
That makes sense. I guess that's part of the appeal of open source, right? Community-driven development.
Exactly, and some of these remakes, like The Legend of Zelda, Twilight Princess, are just mind blowing, reverse engineering wow.
For real. But I wonder how they balance fidelity to the original while also innovating.
Right? It's like walking a tightrope. You want to honor the original's essence, but also add fresh elements.
And think about the communities that form around these projects. It's like a digital cultural movement.
Definitely, and it's fascinating how this can lead to collaborations across different parts of the world.
I love that aspect. But doesn't it also raise questions about quality control? How do they ensure a good experience?
That's a valid point. Many projects rely on community feedback and constant updates to polish the games.
I suppose that's part of the charm, seeing an unfinished game evolve based on player input.
For sure, and speaking of charm, the diversity of genres is staggering, from platformers to city builders.
I mean Akhenaten, a city builder set in ancient Egypt. That's so unique.
Right? It's like you can actually feel how these games reflect different cultures and histories.
Exactly. It broadens the gaming landscape. Plus, it's accessible so more people can play and create.
That's empowering. It's a great way to democratize gaming, but do you think it dilutes quality?
That's a tricky balance. More access can lead to more variety, but also more mediocre titles.
True, but then again, the gems that emerge can be really innovative. Like, have you seen Cake Creature?
Yes, that's the one that's super small in file size, but visually stunning, right?
Exactly, it's amazing what they've achieved with such limitations. It's like a tech marvel.
And it kind of challenges the notion of what graphics need to be in games today.
Absolutely, it's a reminder that gameplay and creativity can triumph over flashy visuals.
Speaking of gameplay, the roguelikes are super intriguing. Cataclysm, Dark Days Ahead is a prime example.
Yes, it's a great mix of survival and strategy, which makes every playthrough feel fresh.
And the permadeath element adds so much tension. You've really got to think on your feet.
That's the thrill of it, but does that alienate casual gamers? They might find it too punishing.
You might be right. It's a double-edged sword. Some love the challenge, while others might feel discouraged.
Exactly, and this touches on how important it is to cater to different skill levels in game design.
For sure, it's like the open source community has to find ways to balance accessibility with challenge.
And that's part of the beauty of open source. There's room for experimentation and feedback.
Exactly. So, what do you think the future holds for open source gaming?
Honestly, I think we'll see more collaboration and perhaps even professional studios getting involved.
That's an interesting thought. It could lead to groundbreaking innovations in game design, right?
Definitely, and who knows? Maybe we'll start seeing more mainstream titles embracing open source principles.
Now that would be a game changer. Literally, I can't wait to see how this unfolds.
Me too, it's going to be fascinating to watch this space evolve. What a time to be a gamer.
Agreed. And it's exciting to think about all the creativity still waiting to be unleashed.
Absolutely, so what's next on your gaming list? Any open source titles you're eager to try?
I'm definitely checking out OpenTTD. I need that transport tycoon fix.
Nice choice, I'll join you. There's just something satisfying about building an empire, right?
Totally. Let's see what kind of chaos we can create together.